Hey everyone! Need to change your Facebook password on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to update your password. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. And tap Settings. Tap on Account Center near the top of the menu. Under Settings, select Password and Security. Now, tap on Change Password at the top. Select your Facebook account. Enter your current password, type in your new password, and retype it to confirm. Once you're done, tap Change Password. You will get a confirmation code on your verified email address. If prompted for verification, check your email for the confirmation code. Enter it here. Optionally, you can create a passkey using Face ID or Touch ID for easier login next time. You will get a pop-up message after your password is changed successfully. And you're all set. Your Facebook password is now updated. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.